Open the App Store and search for Xcode. Open and install it. Let's learn how to display an image as the first app. Open Xcode. Create a new Xcode project. Select iOS tab. Click App. Give a project name. Organization identifier. It is a way to uniquely identify yourself and your apps. Now just give com.any name. Just select the interface storyboard for this project. Select a location to save the project. Create. Development environment is opened. Select main.storyboard. Click the plus symbol. For adding image viewer. Drag it. View. Whole project. This is safe area. The added image viewer can be seen inside. We can resize and change position with mouse. We can also use size inspector for that. X and Y positions and height and width can be given here. This is attribute inspector. All the attributes of the selected object can be set here. Downloading an image from Pexels. Rename it. Assets Xcasets can be selected. Image can be dragged and dropped. It will arrange itself as 1x, 2x, 3x according to the pixel size of the image. Now let's add the image. Select the image in the attribute inspector. Image is added. Select an emulator from here. Click the play button. So our first app is running. Subscribe to get more tutorials like this.